Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve t power 6 plus 64 equals 0 and we have to find the value of t. So let's start with today's video solution. So this t power 6 plus 64 equals 0. I can write this t power 6 as t square whole power 3 plus 64 as 4 power 3 equals 0. Now as per the very famous identity a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So let's apply this identity. So we can write this as t square plus 4 and here it becomes t square whole square minus t times 4 plus 4 square equals 0. So it becomes t square plus 4 times t power 4 minus 4t plus 4 square is 16. We can write directly equals 0. So now we have two cases. First t square plus 4 equals 0. So here t square equal minus 4. Now if I'll take square root both sides, so this will cancel out. So t equal, we can write 4 times minus 1. So which is t equal plus minus 2 iota. Now here t power 4 minus 4t square plus 16 equals 0. So let t square equal x. So it becomes x square minus 4x plus 16 equals 0. So I am going to use quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal minus minus 4 plus minus under root minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 16 by 2 times 1. So x equal 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 64 by 2. X equal 4 plus minus root minus 48 by 2. So x equal 4 plus minus under root 16 times 3 times minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus under root 16 times root 3 times root 1 by 2. So x equal 4 plus minus 4 root 3 iota by 2. So this is a complex number. So x is, if I'll take 2 as common, 2 plus minus 2 root 3 iota by 2 will cancel out. So x is equals to 2 plus minus 2 root 3 iota. Now let's recall the value of x. We have taken the substitution here. T square equal x. So t square equal 2 plus minus 2 root 3 iota. So t square equal 2. I can write it as 3 minus 1. So 3 plus minus 2 root 3 iota minus 1. So t square equals 3. I can write it as root 3 square plus minus 2 root 3 iota plus 1. I can write it as 1 square. So t square equal, it becomes root 3 plus minus this minus 1, we can write it as iota square as well. So it becomes root 3 plus minus iota whole square. Now if I'll do square root both sides, so with the help of this square root removes. So t equal plus minus root 3 plus minus iota. So what are the values of t? Plus minus 2 iota and plus minus root 3 plus minus iota. So these are the 6 values of t. So overall we can say that no real solution exists.